What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video. Man, you guys caught the video yesterday. Man, you guys seen we got all the wheels and stuff for the bike. We dropped the wheels off, so man, the CVO is actually already ready. So we're about to go pick that thing up. Literally, we almost have no space in the garage. We only have one more square left, so it's pretty much 3 bikes per square. So we only got room for literally one more. Otherwise, we're gonna have to start taking over this other side, man. So without further ado, man, I gotta go get these orders shipped out really quick. We're gonna load the truck up, get the ramp and everything set up. Usually I would ride it back, but I just don't feel like Ubering down there. So let's get it going, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alrighty, now that we got all that good stuff shipped out, it's time to go get in the truck and go pick up that CVO, man. Just made it back to the crib, got the truck ready to go. About to throw that ramp in that joint, all the little tie downs, and we're gonna be up there. Alrighty, man, y'all know what time it is. We ain't been up here to pick up a bike in a minute, but it's time to shine. Y'all see what's up. Got the CVO over there, but let me strap this thing up, and now we're gonna get it to where we can go right on here, dog. Alrighty, we got our fender here. We gotta get the fender risers for this one. Thought I had them, but I got the ones for the older bike. So let's get this thing loaded up real quick. Let's see it. It's got them fishtail things on there. See, in the sun, it don't look that bad. Don't look that bad. It is a definitely different joint though. Okay, I'm digging that. Y'all like that or what? Y'all like it? Let your boy know right now in the comments below, dog. And them chrome little cups look really good. Pulled that thing together. Now once we get that fender situated, it's literally gonna bring this whole thing together. Oh man, I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Can't wait to get that first start up on this thing and see how it sounds, dog. Let's see what this first start sound like, man. I ain't heard this thing with these fishtails in a minute. Oh yeah. Yeah, them pipes definitely make a difference already. Let's see. Oh my God. Yeah, that definitely put a whole smile on your boy's face, dog. I'm loving it with that 21. Oh man, that thing just did justice. Y'all hear this thing popping and slopping, man. So I'm gonna set y'all up and we gonna get this thing loaded up, man. Alrighty, guys, got that joint loaded up. Off to the crib we go. Want to try to get a little ride in or something, man. Want to see what's good. Let's see. Just made it back. That 21 is standing out on that thing now. But it's time to eat real quick. We'll come back out in a second, dog. Alrighty, got this thing offloaded. Definitely sounding amazing. Now we got this front fender on here just mocked up. It's not even on there, but we waiting for our fender risers to come in the mail so we can get that fender on there looking good. But it is looking good, sounding amazing. Love how this thing sounds. But got the other bikes right here, just trying to figure out which way I'm going to arrange these things, because we need to make some more space right now. So just trying to figure it out. So we actually got to get the bags repainted and stuff. We're going to go take them to Antonio when we go back to the city now that we got the CVO back. Feeling like he might be able to match this. I've seen him do it before. However, I don't know. It's just a little different of a little process. But if not, shoot, we just gonna do all black side covers and bags. It still looked freaking great that way. So it is what it is, man. If you guys know anything about CVOs, then you guys know matching them is like nearly impossible. And you guys know if you did work with CVOs, you know, if you call Harley and ask for the paint code or anything like that, you're not going to be able to get it. And then also, if you worked with CVOs, you know, those bags are like freaking expensive, like expensive with the paint job on them and everything. So if you don't, if you haven't dealt with a CVO or never had one, I wouldn't expect you to understand how this color matching is working and stuff. I understand why you don't understand that, but without further ado, it is running good, sounding good. Just got to get that thing all together. Got the wheels coming for these joints, so I can't wait. If you guys are interested in the 2017 Road King special, make sure you head over to everythingsregular.com right now and go grab you a hat to be entered into the giveaway for this joint right here. So that's dope. Can't wait. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, got the garage cleaned up, swept out, bikes in order. Things are looking good, man. So this one we got to get some stuff repainted. That one we got to go to Antonio and pick up the rear fender and put the wheels on. This one we got to put that front wheel on along with the tire and the wraparound. This one we just got to put rims on. So can't wait. Alrighty, man, early morning here, getting some supplies to get the rest of the shipping done. But I think we're gonna go hop on that CVO. I love that sound yesterday, man. I gotta freaking full throttle that thing and hear how that thing is sounding, man. So after this, we gonna go slide on that thing real quick. All right, so the hard part is gonna be pulling this thing out and pulling it back in. Gotta move her car out the way. But we gonna slide it right now. I'm not waiting. Alrighty guys, we have made it out here. Man, I actually, if you guys haven't noticed, I actually took an extended trip today. Freaking the sound of this bike, dog, this 21, like, oh my God, even though this thing is not complete right now, it is freaking more than fun, like more than fun, dog. Like I'm literally loving this bike all over again. So I know whichever bike I do decide to keep, man, I need the loudest of the loudest pipes. That's what makes the ride for me way much better and way much more fun. But so far is a really great ride. Can't wait. I actually love these you know, I don't like the style of the fishtail, but I do love the sound that it's producing, man. That thing is awesome, man. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Sheesh, that thing look good. Alrighty, just made it back to the crib. That freaking ride was everything, dog. Like, you can buy all these exotics, you can buy whatever car you want, but it's no ride like a freaking Harley Davidson, especially a Road King, man. This thing makes you feel freaking just one with the road. I love this bike right here. But meantime, man, we're gonna get this thing pushed back in, get these side covers off, and then when we head to the city, we'll be taking this down, well, these paint pieces to get repainted again. Hopefully he can match them, so we'll see what's good though. But let's put it back in that Kona. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We done got the CVO back, man. We done rode that thing. That thing feels a freaking amazing. I love the pipes on there. Like, I didn't like the look of them, but the sound of them makes that bike like way much more enjoyable. The bags and all that stuff, that's gonna be a huge plus when it comes together. But right now, the way it sounds and it rides, freaking unbelievable. I love the sound of that bike. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for this 2017 Road King Special, man, make sure you hit the link below and it'll take you right where you need to go. And so if you are interested, man, go to Everything's Regular, get your hat, and that'll be your entry for the giveaway, man. So stay tuned. Got something else coming up today, so Just trying to get it going, man. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.